You guys can move. Eva, you're moving. Go, Clarisse. You can do it, Jennifer. You're gonna be good. You're gonna see. It's fine. Look at Clarisse. Don't worry about it. If you fall, it catches you. Don't worry about it. Wait, Eva. Wait. No, 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 Eva. No, don't take it off, Eva. Say hi. Say hi. You can do it. Hold on tight. Don't move it, because Jennifer, it's her first time. Don't move it. Go slowly. Okay. You're doing great, Jenny. What are you doing? You're supervising? Doing a good job, Eva. You're good. Are you guys good over there?
Yeah, Jennifer's the best one.
You wait for me, Jennifer. You can wait for me. Jennifer, you can wait for me, okay? Good. Continue, continue, continue. T'es capable. And Jenny?
Mets ton pied. It's holding you. It's holding you. Just the tiens.
You having fun?
Ouais.
Yeah?
Maintenant, mets le pied là.
You're having fun? And you, Eva? I'm ready to bring you.
Just the tiens. It's okay.
You can do it.
The next step for holding you. You're not gonna fall.
You can do it.
No, you can't do it. It's holding you.
She knows that.
It's okay. Oh, the people are watching you. It's so fun.
Yeah, you're good. Hold on to the red wire.
To the red wire now. Take off your hand and go to the red wire. Take off this hand here.
Yes, the next one after.
Kid, you're gonna fall. Jennifer did the same thing and she fell.
It's okay. It's okay. If you fall, it doesn't matter. James, if you bother them, you're gonna get out of here. Oh no, it's okay. You did it. Are we good now?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's gonna swing. You're gonna fall.
No, she's not gonna fall. You can do it. Don't let James. I've had enough of you.
It's alright.
I've had enough.
You're gonna fall. It's holding you.
Eva, just walk. You can do it. Eva, don't be a crybaby. That's what you're gonna look like on the video. You can do it. You're really good.
James,
Even
stop
James,
it!
James, I'm gonna have to go make you go over there.
It does like that. It's okay. It does by itself. It does it.
Oh, okay. You're gonna have your turn in a second.
You're a little pig.
You guys are having fun? I'm watching you. Go, James. It's your turn after her, okay? Yeah? Go, James. Don't forget to get it. Yeah, bravo.